Everyone, a quick video on how to do a CVT oil change at home for a Honda Jazz in this example, 2003. The same principles apply for this shape of Honda Jazz. I believe it ran until 2009 odd. So I've got the genuine 4 litres of Honda CVT oil, don't scrimp on that, and I've got the suction machine here, that's manual one, so I don't need any power leads, and this yellow dipstick there is where the gearbox oil is, so I'll show you. So what we do is take that out, that's a safe place. So if you look, it's okay, it's not too bad, it's not proper pink. Sorry, my focus isn't working on the phone properly there. There you go. As you can see, it's not proper pink, so it's probably due a change. So all I'm going to do about that, needed both hands. So what I've done is I've put the pipe in there, as you can see. So all I need to do now is use this machine here. So I'm just going to use it for holding. Usually pump it. Look, here it comes. CVT oil is now coming out. So I pumped it about 10 times there, so there should be enough pump to do it. I might need to pump again, but I'll see how it goes. Alright, no point in videoing this. This is going to be about 10 minutes, so catch you in a bit. So after about 10 minutes, it sucked out the majority of the oil. And if I look here, you can see, I think you can make it out, that's just about 4 litres of oil, which is what I was expecting. So all I need to do now is take this out and then fill it in with this. Okay, so what I've done now, look at that hole now. All I need to do now is just fill it, and this is the CVT fluid you need. Honda. Always get the original Honda, don't scrimp on the quality. So I'm going to try and hold the camera and fill it just to give you a demonstration. Obviously, I'm not going to show you the whole. It gets boring. Look at that. Make sure it's free. Debris there, and just throw that away. And I'm doing the back side, hence why. Okay everyone, so now that it's been filled, I've taken the funnel away and I've just made sure that it's on maximum. And as I was taking the funnel out, I spilled a little bit, so it's a bit dirty. All you do, put that back in there. So I'll put the dipstick back in, and then we go to the car. You don't start the car, what you do, you put it in first ignition, turn that radio off, sorry about that, and you just literally go through all the gears. And I like to repeat this process about 3 or so times. So I'll just keep doing this another time. And then we turn it on, make sure there's no lights on there. There aren't, that's just the blue sees the coolant is cold sign, that's fine. It will turn off, it's just telling you that the coolant is cold, and it usually turns off after a couple of minutes. And that's all it is. So I'm not going to drive it, just going to go through the gears, make sure all the oil yeah. That's it. So it's all good. And that's all there is to it, ladies and gentlemen. Hope that helped. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye bye.